Hello friends, how are you? As you know, Beauty of Johnson's launched a new sun serum which name is Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. In this video, we discuss what are the benefits and what are the main ingredients of these serums. Then we discuss its packaging, textures, and my experience related to these products. And then we discuss which skin type can use these products. And in the end, we deliver our final verdict. But before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications about every video. Let's start the video. As you know, Beauty of Johnson's launched a new sun serum which name is Ginseng Moist Sun Serums. These serums contain SPF 50 plus PA+++, and it is a moisturizing serum formula provide a moist and fresh finish. And there is no white cast while applying this serum. The lightweighted formula absorbs into your skin, provide gentle UV protections with clear Fence capsule formula. And this serum does not block UV rays but also provide moist and nourish to help create healthier skin. Now we talked about what are the main ingredients of this serum. It contains ginseng extract 30% while niacinamide 2%. Niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin B complex form, effectively improving pigmentation. It also helps overall skin, and it also maintains skin oil balance, improves skin textures and brighten complexion. While ginseng moisturize your skin healthier and effectively for anti-aging and wrinkles. Now we'll talk about its packaging and texture. It is available in a airless pump, easily to use and easily you can carry it. This serum contains watery gel texture. It contains small tiny beads as the company use ingredients encapsulation formula. And we talked about the smell. It smells like an essential oil, and my experience related to this product initially feel cooling sensation which turns heats up on your skin after some times. Made skins like an oil slick initially but absorbs within 20 minutes, left a glowy finish. You cannot wear any kind of makeup after applying this serum. And which skin type can use these products? And the next question related to these products, the answer is it is suitable for those persons who do not wear any kind of makeup. And if you have oily skins but not a sensitive skins, this product is for you. For sensitive skins, I will not recommend this serum. And the only positivity of this product is that there is a very unique gel serum texture. And this is the honest review related to this product. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so that you can get notifications about every video. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye bye.